Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to view the games your friends play on Facebook. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, select the Gaming option. Once you're in the Gaming section, scroll down until you see the section labeled Games Your Friends Play. Here, you can swipe left or right to navigate through the games that your friends are currently playing. By following these simple steps, you can stay updated on the games your friends are enjoying on Facebook. It's a great way to discover new games, connect with friends over shared interests, and even join them in their gaming adventures. Keep your finger on the pulse of your social gaming circle by easily accessing the games your friends are playing. Enhance your Facebook experience and explore new gaming opportunities with just a few taps on your device. That wraps up our guide on viewing the games your friends play on Facebook.